What's up guys? In this video we are going to solve one CODEWARS problem, and this one is truly very simple. I think it's good to do it because it helps you to understand how the split function works, but this one is truly simple. Like, the problem is just, hey, okay, I will give you this URL, and you just have to give us, you just have to return the domain name, and it's just using the split function. Like, what you have to do is, okay, first we have to check if the HTTP is in there. If it's not in there, we don't have to split that. We don't have to split the string in two parts with these bars. Okay, then that we have only this, we have to check if there is a www. If there is a www, we split everything with the points, and we take the first element. Well, the second element, the element 1. This is the element 0, and this is the element 1. But if there's not a www, we just have to take this one, the first one, the element 0. Okay, so all these tests are okay, but maybe there is... okay, everything is okay. I was thinking that, hey, maybe there's something else that I'm not seeing. So yeah, this was very short. This problem is very simple, and this problem helps you understand how to use the split function. And I hope that you like the video. Yeah, subscribe, like, and see you in the next one. Share it. Don't forget to go and check my website, in which I talk about trading and cryptocurrencies and all that stuff for a very cheap price.
Damn, Sosa. You going crazy.
Rest in peace, por qué tranquilo, 666. Estoy bajando todo, lo siento. Te quedas en nota. Rest in peace,